into this kind of platform, independent cinema, short cinema, cinema, whatever? From engineering straight to this field, what pulls you back?
Independent cinema I've chosen because I could start here.
Hmm.
It's not like I want to be a independent filmmaker for life. It's a start.
What do you want to achieve?
I want to tell my stories. Actually.
Tell your stories to whom? What stories?
We're not putting it on YouTube, right?
You mean what you say, and you say what you mean.
Yeah.
Don't be conscious.
I'm not being conscious, but it's that you're bombarding me with questions.
Oh. I asked the same questions. Okay, okay. I asked the same questions to you, Sergi.
I know.
Okay. Now you tell me what pulls you to films. You know, you have a background, you have a corporate, whatever, the comfort lifestyle, you have your family, you have everything set up. What pulls you at this age? What is that exciting point? What is that exciting factor which, comes?
Age is not a factor. Age is not a factor. This was in me since so many years, 30 years, maybe 40 years. So what he said, same thing I said, if I see a film, I think I can make better than this. I think like a critic.
Okay.
If I see an ad also, I think I can make better at that.
And one more thing is, I don't want to do engineering again at 30 years of age. I don't want to realize this is my passion and come back here. I
The
want
right
to,
time.
Yeah.
Okay.
When I'm ready, I want to start doing it.
Yeah. So, like, we'll not take audience for granted, yes. You see, I have seen his interview when he's asking Panwala, what do you think about that? That is the real, they are the real audience, no?
Yeah, correct.
See, educated people, they see in the home, 50 rupees, they come there, they see, they relax. From where you get the money? From these grassroots level, you get the money. They pay the ticket. These fellows, they don't pay the ticket. No? They are the right audience also. उनका नब्ज पहचानना, what they want to see. Today's cinema is different. Earlier cinema was family oriented. Whole family goes. Now all son goes differently, daughter goes differently, father goes differently, or mother goes. They don't see all. Complete package that we are doing.
So again, the straight question, sir. How much passion do you have towards independent cinema or short cinema or whatever the cinema? Whatever you have done till date doesn't excite you, or it gives you more pleasure, or what pulls you exactly? Give me one particular straight answer.
Cinema word itself,
Okay, you're passionate towards cinema.
this word itself,
Huh.
it creates something. अरे यार, this is my goal. This is यहाँ मैंने जाना है. This is my goal. Cinema word itself has got that power. यहाँ तक strike करता है. Then you think, then this starts working more. See, some cinema, someone says cinema, I will look like at that. That much passion I have.
So there's a difference between fascination, passion, and profession. So how do you want to take it? Hobby also. There are multiple layers of.
Hobby, hobby, you have a lot of hobbies.
Okay.
When you go, this is hobby. If you hobby, ये top में क्या है? Film making. Like I always, if I see a cinema, no, तो parallel cinema मेरे mind में भी चलता है. If I read a story, the parallel story also goes in my mind also. ऐसा करेंगे, इसको ऐसा करेंगे. I'll do like this. I will do like this. I will not follow this. He is not doing good. But he said, intelligent director. Good. At least you are choosing to be intelligent director. Not
No.
only a director.
Our decision
all
will not.
All directors are intelligent. But I will say, I'm different from others. Then I'm intelligent. I'm different from others.
See,
I want to do something different from others.
My point straight here is, if you think that you want to become an intelligent director, I don't think that's the right approach. We can't choose what we want to become. The audience will decide. They'll decide. Okay, this is this, this is that, and all. We can't decide. You make your content. The audience will decide.
But you can't keep judging yourself right from the start. Right? Once you have the confidence in you, you can take it to a larger audience. But you're asking me to wait till the audience.
No, I'm not saying anything. I'm just questioning so that you get more clarity on it. It's not that.
I think, see, I have my kid. I like him a lot. Every day I play with him. I like him a lot. That doesn't mean that some other people will like the same way I like him. I see him every day. He is my baby. Same way, the cinema I make or the short film I make is my baby. I am liking it because I am making it. I know in and out of it why it has been made like that, why my son is behaving like that, why my son is talking like that. I know the reason, so I like it. But the person who is watching it for the first time, or the person who is watching my son for the first time, will not feel the same. So
He will create the audience.
his intelligence, or my intelligence will be noted by either him or me, but not the third person. So
Also, many great directors, उनकी फिल्म भी तो flop हुआ है ना.
No, it's not
They
about
also
hit or
started-
flop.
See, Ram Gopal Verma, how many films flop किया है? But still, it is his passion. How many flops? He is not worried about flop. He is not worried. मैंने फिल्म बना दी, audience like करे नहीं करे.
no, actually he found a way so that he can sustain in the industry. He don't have to answer each and every person, and he don't want to blame himself or opposite person for the failure.
Yes. See, I
He
think
has
break
some
even-
answer for everything. He found some answer for everything, that okay, I'm just selling a soap, you purchase it or not, something like
He
that.
has a reason to to do what he's doing.
Yes.
That's what's
Yes.
important.
It is his creativity. He has audience also. Ram Gopal Verma की फिल्म देखने जाते may not be go in abundance, but still he may be break even पे आ जाता होगा. That's why he's making.
And he gives himself a reason, not others to
Yes.
watch.
Yes, but I will differ from him. Little.
Yeah.
I will give for him myself also, for audience also. Every day I cannot say यार गोली मारो, audience पसंद करते कि नहीं करते. थोड़ा सा उनका भी नब्ज लेना चाहिए, उनका feel भी, and we make. Then it is a complete cinema.
That's what makes
Yeah,
different
that's
you
the
from Ram Gopal
Yeah,
Verma.
that's a complete cinema.
No, why do you want to go for a comparison straight away? You didn't even start your career. Why do you want to compare with somebody who's already a legend?
Comparison should
comparing
always in
I said
mind.
he's different from. That's what makes him different from Ram Gopal Verma. I didn't compare him.
Maybe he's making a reference point.
Okay, benchmark.